against the tyranny and oppression of the government of India and their college management. We are here to clear the misconception which has been spreading on social media regarding this issue, that it is the constitutional and fundamental right to practice one's religion in India. We are not denying the fact, but we are here to clear the misconception that hate mongers all over the India and the world knows this very fact. They are attacking our deen, they are attacking our faith, they are trying to prevent us to follow the command of Allah and Rasul. So we are here to clearly clear the misconception that we are not fighting because it's our constitutional right. We are fighting for this hijab, for our integrity, honor, because it is the command of Allah and Rasul. Lots of Sahabiyat, every Sahabiya has fought for her right because it was in her religion, because it was the command of Allah and Rasul. We are not here to demand our constitutional or secular or Indian right. We are here to demand to let us practice what it's there in Quran and Sunnah. Don't dictate us, don't try to tell us what is there in the constitution or in some article of Indian constitution. No, we are here to follow what Allah Ta'ala has said, and the Hindutva mob and the Hindutva organization is also attacking not on our constitutional right, they are attacking on our iman. They are attacking because we are Muslim women, not because we are women, but because we are Muslim women. They are trying to deprive us of education, they are trying to prevent us to excel in our careers. Why? Because we are all here are Muslim women, because we say La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. This is the fight of haq and batil. This is the fight between kufr and haq. So we are on haq, they are on kufr, they are the batil ones. So they are attacking on us on that basis, not on some constitution or some article or some judgment. We have to clear this misconception in our head, and also to give this message to the country and to the world that Muslim women will always fight, will always resist, because she is not ready to compromise her akhirah for this fani dunya. No, we are not here to show or save our constitution. We have gathered here, we, the women of Saidabad and Hyderabad, have gathered here to protect our iman, our faith, our religious identity, not some constitution or not some country integrity. No, we are here to protect what Allah Ta'ala has sent 1400 years ago. Our iman, our faith is our part, is a